Ever feel like coding is bogged down by constant rewrites, tedious refactoring, or struggling to align with changing requirements?
Wait, how you know that?
Most coding tools help you write code, but they don't always make it easier to refine, adapt, or streamline workflows without the hassle.
Then what?
Now imagine an AI-powered assistant that not only helps you write code, but transforms the way you build software, allowing you to update entire functions, optimize classes, and debug faster, all with simple instructions. That's the magic of Cursor AI.
Are you serious?
In this video, we'll dive into how Cursor AI simplifies and accelerates software development with its intelligent, fast, and intuitive features. With Cursor, you can focus less on repetitive tasks and more on building something amazing.
Let's start from the beginning, right?
Introduction to Cursor AI. Cursor AI is an advanced coding assistant designed to empower developers to write and manage code efficiently using natural language. Whether it's generating new code, refactoring existing functions, or debugging, Cursor makes it as simple as typing a prompt.
You lucky you my boy.
This next-generation tool bridges the gap between coding and communication by letting you instruct your IDE like a teammate. Cursor helps you write code faster, avoid errors, and stay productive without breaking your flow. So, how does Cursor AI stand out in the crowded world of developer tools? Let's take a closer look at its incredible advantages. 4 powerful advantages of using Cursor AI. 1. Natural language coding. Cursor allows you to write or refactor code with plain English instructions. No more digging through documentation or spending hours rewriting functions. Cursor handles it all seamlessly. 2. Fast and intelligent debugging. Cursor not only identifies issues in your code, but also suggests fixes and explains the problem. Debugging becomes a quick and guided process, saving you time and frustration, while reducing the chance of recurring errors. 3. Seamless refactoring. With Cursor, updating or optimizing your codebase is effortless. You can update classes or entire functions with a single prompt, ensuring clean and efficient code without manual effort, and maintain consistency across the project. 4. Contextual awareness. Cursor understands the bigger picture. It analyzes your project's codebase to provide relevant suggestions tailored to your goals and dependencies, keeping everything aligned and reducing risks associated with mismatched changes. Now that we've covered the advantages, let's explore some of the powerful features that make Cursor AI a must-have for developers. 4 incredible features of Cursor AI. 1. Instruction-based code editing. How it works. With Cursor, you can type a natural language command and the AI will rewrite the code accordingly. Example in action. You have a long, messy function handling user authentication. Simply ask Cursor to refactor it for readability and efficiency, and within seconds you have a cleaner, more optimized version ready to go. 2. Advanced code generation. How it works. Cursor generates boilerplate code, APIs, or entire modules based on your input. It ensures the generated code aligns with your project structure and best practices. Example in action, working on a back-end project? Ask Cursor to generate a REST API for your user management system. It creates endpoints with proper validation and error handling instantly. 3. Error detection and fix suggestions. How it works. Cursor scans your code for errors and provides actionable fixes along with explanations. Example in action. Imagine dealing with a tricky null pointer exception. Cursor identifies the issue, explains the root cause, and suggests a fix, saving you hours of troubleshooting. 4. Effortless refactoring. How it works. Cursor makes it easy to rewrite outdated or inefficient code. Just prompt it to refactor, and it will update your codebase while ensuring compatibility. Cursor AI's tools and features are designed to help you code smarter, not harder. But how do you start using Cursor to unlock its full potential? Let's walk through a quick tutorial. Tutorial: How to use Cursor AI. Step 1. Install Cursor AI. Download and install the Cursor IDE plugin or standalone tool. Connect it to your project repository for seamless integration. Compatible with platforms like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Works with popular languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, and more. Step 2. Write or update code with prompts. Cursor lets you write code by simply describing what you need. Step 3. Debug with AI assistance. Cursor identifies errors in your code and suggests solutions. Highlight an error and ask, "How do I fix this?" Step 4. Refactor and optimize. Optimize your codebase with ease. Select a class or function and type, "Make this more efficient." Cursor updates your code while maintaining functionality. Step 5. Review and deploy. With Cursor's intelligent suggestions, you can ensure your code is clean, efficient, and ready for deployment. Combine it with your existing CI/CD pipelines for a seamless workflow. Cursor's versatility makes it an excellent tool across various development scenarios. Let's explore some of its most impactful use cases. Now, 4 use cases of Cursor AI across industries. 1. Solo developers. Write and manage code effortlessly with Cursor as your personal assistant. It helps you debug, refactor, and optimize, so you can focus on building great products. With Cursor, even complex tasks feel manageable, allowing you to tackle challenging projects with confidence. Plus, its intuitive interface ensures you spend more time coding and less time troubleshooting. 2. Startup teams. Ship features faster with Cursor's ability to automate repetitive tasks like writing boilerplate code and debugging. Stay lean, agile, and productive. Cursor's AI ensures your team stays focused on innovation while minimizing time spent on routine coding tasks. Its real-time suggestions help accelerate development without compromising quality. 3. Large development teams. Streamline collaboration and maintain clean, consistent code bases. Cursor ensures everyone stays aligned with project standards by providing contextual suggestions and updates. Its ability to analyze and adapt to complex workflows makes it perfect for scaling teamwork seamlessly. Additionally, Cursor helps reduce conflicts and ensures smooth integration across the entire team. 4. Freelancers. Deliver high-quality code without spending hours on tedious tasks. Cursor generates, refines, and tests code, letting you focus on creating value for your clients. This means you can take on more projects, meet tight deadlines, and still exceed client expectations. Its versatility allows you to adapt quickly to a wide range of client requirements and coding standards. Of course, no tool is perfect, and Cursor has a few limitations to consider. 3 disadvantages of Cursor AI. 1. Learning curve. Developers new to AI-assisted tools may need time to adapt to using Cursor effectively, especially for advanced features like context-aware suggestions or complex refactoring. Its intuitive design further ensures that even beginners can gradually harness its full potential with ease. 2. Complex scenario. While Cursor excels in most situations, highly intricate or domain-specific tasks may require manual intervention or additional input to achieve the desired results. For these scenarios, pairing Cursor with your expertise can deliver optimal outcomes. Cursor's flexibility also allows users to customize its behavior to better suit niche requirements. 3. Privacy concerns. Like any cloud-based tool, Cursor requires uploading code for processing, which might raise security concerns for projects involving sensitive or proprietary data. Ensuring proper encryption and compliance measures can help mitigate these risks effectively. Cursor also offers options for on-premise deployment or local processing to address privacy-sensitive needs. Conclusion: Cursor AI transforms the way developers approach coding by offering natural language-driven code creation, intelligent debugging, and seamless refactoring. It allows developers to focus on problem-solving and creativity rather than repetitive tasks, boosting overall productivity. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, Cursor adapts to your workflow and scales with your needs, ensuring a smoother coding experience. Fun fact about Cursor AI: the name Cursor reflects its mission to keep you moving forward, just like a cursor on a screen. With Cursor, coding becomes a smooth and efficient journey, letting you focus on what truly matters: building great software. Ready to take your coding to the next level? Smash that subscribe button and join us for more tutorials, tools, and tips to supercharge your development workflow.